Hey, what is up everybody? Taylor with KC here, and as you can see, I'm with Alan, aka Dark Fiber's 1969 Jeep Wagoneer. Tons of you have been asking for a full build breakdown of this thing, so guess what? The time is here. We are picking it up right now from the restoration mechanic, and we're gonna go take it up into the hills to film a full 15-minute breakdown on the Wagoneer here. So we're gonna cover everything from the tires and wheels to the suspension, to the drivetrain, the motor, the interior, and everything else in between. So what you gotta do to go view that full 15-minute breakdown is click the card up above. That's gonna take you over to Petersen Car Week. Click that link and you're gonna be able to see the full 15-minute breakdown of this thing. We hope you enjoy the video and we hope you enjoy Petersen Car Week.